good? Back at it. Hope you're having an amazing day today. Hope you had a good weekend. Gonna check this out. Quick thinking driver races burning truck to fire station. Sounds absolutely insane, bro. Jiangxi, China. Sorry, I know I butchered that, but yeah, bro. Shout out New China TV. Sounds insane, bro. If you could hit that like and sub, let's see what they're talking about. Just gonna let it play out, but stay safe out there. Like things like this do happen, especially if you're driving toxic things or like flammable things. Just be safe, bro. You never know. Always be on your toes. Wow. Just like that, huh? Wow. I'm not sitting in that car while it's on fire. I'm getting out immediately. But this is crazy. He's lucky it's in the back and not by the gas tank or engine, but still, bro. Maybe it is by the gas tank. Wow. I bet they've never seen something like that. And never will again. Holy crap. Shout out to you, bro. Look at this guy. He was cooking. Probably running red lights, everything. I wonder if he called it in. They're like, look at my guy. You're lucky, bro. You're lucky you didn't get blown. But anyways, let me know what y'all think, bro. This is absolutely insane. Oh my god. I would be shitting bricks. Let me know your thoughts. Hope y'all have an amazing day. And let me know more shit to watch. Like, look at that shot. How rare is that? This like someone just whips that bitch to the fire station to be put out. Never happens. I love y'all. Let me know more shit to watch.